I'm Emily, and this is Darlene, and we're excited to introduce you to GoDaddy's reseller program.
As a reseller, you'll sell GoDaddy's products right to your customers from your own website under your own brand.
You choose which products you want to sell: domains, email, hosting, website builders, and more. Basically, we'll make everything available to you, and you just hide what you don't want your customers to see.
You can offer your clients exactly what they need, and you control your commissions by setting your own markup rates and promotions.
The program allows you to use our pre-built, mobile-optimized, and customizable storefronts.
But if you want more advanced capabilities, our WordPress plugin lets you build your own storefront, complete with GoDaddy domain search result functionality and payment processing.
As a reseller, you get great promotions on GoDaddy products to help you drive sales.
And all reseller plans include the ability to request delegate access to your clients' accounts, so you can make purchases and manage products on their behalf.
You can process payments with a white label version of the GoDaddy cart. No need to set up a merchant account, and robust reporting helps you keep track of everything.
If you need help along the way, you'll get dedicated customer support for both you and your clients around the clock.
The support is white label, and agents will even upsell products on your behalf.
There are 2 different reseller plans available, Basic and Pro. Regardless of which plan you choose, you get all of the things we discussed.
If you have 25 or less customers, Basic is all you need, and that gets you up to 20% off retail prices.
Whereas Pro is best for unlimited customers, and you get up to 40% off of retail.
We hope this was helpful, and now you know what GoDaddy Reseller is all about. I'm Emily, that's Darlene. See you next time.